In the previous tutorial, /post/rust tutorial clap/, we built CLI tools with clap. Now we learn file I/O, reading files, writing files, working with paths, and walking directories. Let's break it down. Reading files read entire file as string. The simplest way to read a file, fs, read __ string, reads the entire file into a string. It returns result, string, IO, error. This works well for small files. Writing files write entire file the simplest way. This creates the file if it does not exist. If it exists, it overwrites the content completely. Buffered writing with BufWriter for writing many lines. Use BufWriter. BufWriter collects writes in a buffer and flushes them in chunks. File operations copy, rename, delete, fs. Rename works as a move operation too. You can rename a file into a different directory. File metadata get information about a file without reading it. Directory operations create directories. Create _all is usually what you want. It creates parent directories and does nothing if the directory already exists. List directory contents. Filter by extension. Walking directories recursively. Fs. Read _dir only lists one level. To find all files and nested directories, use recursion. Calculate directory size. Temp files for temporary data. Use the system temp directory. For production code, consider the temp file crate. It handles cleanup automatically and guarantees unique names. Error handling patterns. File I/O functions return I/O, result, T. Here are common patterns. Match on specific errors. You can match on error kind. Not found, error kind. Permission denied, error kind. Already exists, and more. Create parent directories before writing. This prevents directory not found errors.